Hello, this is Arveen and I'm a second year master's student who recently qualified for JRF through the CSIR NET 2020 examination. So my category was life sciences and I secured all India rank 15. Okay, so while I was preparing, there were certain key points that I kept in mind and they really seemed to help. So here they are. The first one for me was to not procrastinate. So I get it, procrastination, it is a very vague term, but the people who actually do it, they would understand the implications. Suppose we'd have an assignment due tomorrow morning. I'd be finishing up for it today at midnight. So that is the kind of person I've been for most of my life. And but sometimes you have to outgrow an habit in order to achieve what you are aiming for. So the best way that I could find to bring about this change in my life was to assign a specific time to a specific task. For example, if I decide that I have to study ecology the next day, I'll not be like I have to study for ecology tomorrow. I'll be like I have to study ecology and I'll allot a time, maybe say 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. So I have to follow through with this time that between 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. the next day, the only thing that I should be doing is to study ecology. You should not be engaged in other businesses, in other leisure activities. All you have to do is be, allot a time and be very rigid about it. Because if on the contrary, I had just said that I'll study ecology the next day, in the morning I'd be like, okay, I have the entire day to study. Maybe I'll do it in the afternoon. In the afternoon, maybe I actually have another task at hand that I would like to finish off earlier. In the evening, I'd be so, tired by all the other things that I was doing the entire day that I will push this task, the studying of ecology, to the next day. And this is a vicious loop that you have to escape. So, this is what I did to escape this loop, to allot specific timings to your tasks. The second thing for me was revision. Okay, so my fellow aspirants, they know how vast the CSIR NET syllabus is. So everybody tries their best to cover as much of the units as possible, but what is key is recollection, that when you are presented with a question at the point of examination, can you recall the concept and relate to it at that very point and give the correct answer? Because you might have studied that point, that concept like 3-4 months back, and if you have not constantly kept in touch with the subject, if you have not revised, it is very hard to recollect. So you have to kind of give this training to your brain about how you can actually see a question and remember the concept and solve that question even when you are studying so many units together. So that is only through revision that this can be achieved. The last point for me, it was to overcome stress. So, I am one of the persons who have exam anxiety. So I'll just be anxious because I have to take this exam. So, the only thing that I actually did for it was to surround yourself with positive energy. So, it could be anything. It could be the support of your family, you talking to your friends. It could be listening to music. It could be, some other hobby, dancing, sketching, whatever. So just surround yourself with a positive energy, a positive aura, so that your mind is at peace. So, revision. So that was that.